Hello everyone. So we are going to understand like what exactly this course is all about. So many people have asking questions like what our course in engineering analytics is all about. So in this video I will explain you in 7 to 10 minutes what this course exactly is. So I have seen that many people who want to become a data analyst, they learn different technologies and they learn things like SQL, Python, Excel, and Power BI. And after learning these four technologies, or you can say four tools or four two languages, they realize that when they go in an interview, they see a job description where skills like Spark, skills like PySpark, skills like big data, Databricks, clouds like AWS, Azure, and all these things they are able to see in the job description, even for data analyst. So now the problem is that many people don't know exactly what data analyst role is all about. If you think that learning SQL, Python, Excel, and Power BI can make you a better data analyst, so the answer is no. Why I'm saying the answer is no, because today in the world of AI, many people already are taking help, you can say from ChatGPT and different other platforms to ace in these four technologies. Now, what is the problem that people are facing? The first problem is that when you go for a data analyst role, you are going to a company which, or you can say that particular company is working on big data infrastructure. When I say that particular company is working on a big data infrastructure, then I mean to say that they are using big data tools and technologies. So even if you are a data analyst, if you only have learned SQL, Python, then you are a person who is a beginner only. Because, see, you know the skills, you know these four skills, it's very good. But the main thing that you are lacking is like you don't know what data engineering skills are used today, even in the role of data analyst. So I will break this down in very simple words. So let's say if you are a data analyst, then you know the skills like SQL, Python, Excel, and Power BI. And I hope many of you already know these skills. Now, if you talk about these four skills today are, you can say, building blocks, or you can say these are fundamental skills. Now, after doing these four skills, if you think that you are a perfect data analyst, or you can secure a job worth 8 to 14 lakhs in an experience of, let's say, 1 year or 2 year, then this is very difficult. Now many people come to me and say me that Durgesh, I'm a fresher and I want to get into data analytics. Or many people say like this that I am in a different background and I want to become a data analyst. See, the answer is that you can become a data analyst with these four skills also. But to get job or finding a job with these four skills is very difficult today. And many people are doing this. Many people are teaching you these four things. Now, when you go with these four things, I don't think that you are fully prepared. So, now what you need to be prepared with? So, big data, don't think that big data is only for data engineers. Try to think that big data is a kind of, you can say, atmosphere or kind of infrastructure where people deal with large amount of data. And to handle this large amount of data, the tools you learn like SQL Server, or you can say MySQL Workbench, these are not enough. And the Power BI and Excel is not enough. Because technologies don't work on these particular tools, you can say. So now what to learn? So today people work with data warehouses. Today people talk about Spark. Today people talk about PySpark. Today people talk about pipelines. They talk about ETL pipeline and ELT pipeline. They also talk about data modeling. They also talk about tools like Airflow and you can say Databricks. So now, if the people need these technologies or if the people need these skills, then why we are only stuck with SQL, Python, Excel, and Power BI? Now, if you understand the task of a data engineer's task is to get data from a data warehouse, or you can say in simple words for you, let's say database. Now, perform analysis on it. And when I say perform analysis on it, I mean to say you can do analysis with SQL, you can do analysis with pandas, you can do analysis with PySpark. And then the third task is to automate this process into a dashboard, which means you got data from somewhere, you have done the analysis, you have done the cleaning, and now you are populating that data, or you can say that particular data that you got into a dashboard in the form of visualization. Now, today you need to do this thing on a automated manner, and that automated manner is known as pipeline designing. Now, nobody has told you how to create an automated pipeline which will do this work every day for you without even touching something. So, these kind of projects you are not aware about. So, my course, or you can say your course, which we are going to launch, which is Analytics Engineering course, in this we are going to do projects like this. And the main part is that we are going to do three capstone projects. And when I say three projects, these three projects will be very different from the projects that you have done, because here we will be doing AI with automation. We must be doing these things on big data tools. When I say big data tools, then I need to say, you can say Databricks, Airflow, we'll be using PySpark, we'll be using SQL, we'll be using Python, and also we will be working with other things like you can say we will design the structure, and then we will be trying to populate that data into a Power BI or Tableau dashboard. So this is going to be the work or the kind of projects that we will be doing, because only learning these four things will never help you to become a successful data analyst or a successful data engineer, because these are just the fundamental skills. That's why in our course we are going to cover all these things. Now, many of you will be saying that I'm not an analytics person, I'm not a technical person, how I will learn it? So all these things will be from exact scratch. When I say exact scratch, from a zero level. Now, many of you must be thinking who will teach you. So I will teach you along with Pragya. She's also a data engineer at 7-Eleven, and we both will be teaching you. Now we have around, so first of all, I will tell you about myself. So I have around 4 years of experience, or you can say 4+ years of experience, and in the field of data engineering and data analytics. And I have been a part, or you can say I have been a mentor in top institutes like Boss Coder, Newton School, Geeks for Geeks, and Masai School. I have also taught in these four institutes, and Pragya has also done a lot of trainings in Boss Coder, or you can say in Newton School, and she is also a data engineer. And along, like, both of us have placed more than you can say 100+ students in top product based companies. And we analyze this gap, that people who are learning data analysis today, they only know these four things, and these four things are not going to help. Now, along with the skills and the course, we are also going to help you with resume preparation. Like, we'll be helping you to prepare the resume. And when I say resume preparation, we will create your resumes. as per industry standard. Now, many people who are from different background and they don't know how to mold their previous experience into data analyst. So yes, that thing also we are going to cover, and that we will cover with you in one-to-one mentorship form, which means we will try to tell you what how you can mold your experience and how we can make your past experience into a data analysis. So all these things we are going to cover in the one-to-one mentorship part once you complete the course curriculum. And the final thing, that on topmate wall, where there are more than 2 million plus professionals, we will be launching your profile with your resume to get you job opportunities. So there will be job opportunities as well. And if somebody says to you that in 45,000 or in 55,000 or in 2 lakhs or in 3 lakhs they can give you placement guarantee, then that is absolutely a fraud. Nobody can guarantee placement. But I can guarantee one thing 100% sure, that by doing this course, even if you are at a zero level, you will be a kind of 100% knowledgeable person in data analytics, and that also with practical knowledge. So data analytics and that also with practical knowledge. So we have designed this course for all the people who really want to get into data analytics or want to get in future as a data engineer, and these are the kind of skills that we are going to cover. And this course will 100% help you to become an advanced person, and you can say you will be out of that league where people only know these four skills, because these four skills will not help you to become a perfect data analyst or a perfect data engineer. These are just fundamentals and nobody is telling you. But if you go to a company, everybody uses AWS, everybody uses Azure. These are the cloud servers that people are using today. And in our course, we will also try to help you how AWS works and how company take help from AWS, Azure, and GCP. So you will be having information and knowledge about cloud computing. You will be doing some projects which are very important, and you will have some important understanding about AI automation and how you can automate your work. Plus, along with this, we will be helping you to how to get an opportunity, how to create a better LinkedIn profile, and this all things with our experience of 4 to 5 years, we are going to help you, and this will be a kind of game changer. I can 100% promise that all the money that you have invested on any other different courses, this course is going to be a game changer. And I'm doing it with my 4 years of teaching experience along with the professionals who are very good in this field and who can help you more. So that's all about the course. And I have explained you the curriculum already, what we are going to cover. But if you want to understand the curriculum, you can go here and you can basically on our website link, you will be able to understand all the things that we are going to cover. And if you see, big data architecture is there, data pipelines and engineering part is there, AI automations and carrier system is also there. So we are going to do multiple things. But first of all, we are going to start with the analytics foundation only, and that is something that you already know if you know Python SQL, but then also we are going to cover it in more detail. So that's all about our course, and I will suggest you that it's going to be a new year. Start with this course from 17th of January and try to become a data analyst with good engineering skills, to become a person who is actually required in a company and to crack product based companies. This course is going to be a game changer for all of you. And this is my first video message, and it's for the people who really interested in the course. And that's all. Thank you so much, and go through it. And if you have any questions, our team will call you. And thank you so much for listening me. That's all.